Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily use the 120-degree ultra-wide camera on your Motorola Edge 60 Neo. So first, what are we going to do? We're going to open up the phone up. We're going to open up the settings, and sorry, not settings, but the camera. And here, as you guys can see, we got a lot of options. So we got 1x, 2, and 3, but we're interested in the 0.5x. As you guys can see, whenever we pick our phone up, the difference is massive. Here we can see the flower. Here we can barely see it. Now we cannot see it, but here we can see the entire flower and also some of the background right here. You can see it on my phone, and of course when we do that on the 1x, we don't see it, so the difference is massive. Let me take two pictures. So the first one will be 0.5 and the second one will be 1x. They're from the same angle. As you guys can see, this is the 1x picture and this is the 0.5, so you can see that the difference here is massive. You can even see the recorder right at the top here. You can see a lot of stuff, and also the flower, you can see its entirety. Here you can see some sort of the logos. Here you cannot. Also the flowers here, you can see two of them. Here you can barely see one. And that's how you guys can easily use the 120-degree ultra-wide camera on your Neo. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.